lot of phone and weather, I guess.
What's that? Oh, this morning? Oh, right there.
We have allowed ourselves to become so disconnected and ignorant about something that is as intimate as the food that we eat. What a difference this is to be out here in the fresh air, sunshine, birds singing in the trees, you know. But you see, according to the USDA, this is unsanitary because it's open to the air. They tried to close us down. One of the biggest showdowns we had with them was when they tried to close us down because this was unsanitary. Can you imagine? So we had them cultured at a local microbiology lab, and ours averaged 133 CFU per mil, and the ones from the store averaged 3,600. And of course, those had been through, 40 chlorine baths. Ours haven't seen any chlorine,